Adoption occurs only after the goal of reunification has been exhausted. Kinship families and resource parents can become the adoptive resources for children. The Adoption and Safe Families Act allows for children to have permanency in a timely fashion. This means that if a child remains in agency placement for 15 out of 22 months and no real progress can be noted, the agency must file a petition to involuntarily terminate parental rights. If rights are terminated by the court, then the child's goal can be changed to adoption. Once a child is freed for adoption, the agency meets with a prospective adoptive home and discusses the process for adoption. Usually it takes at least 3 visits to complete the paperwork, obtain an attorney, and schedule the adoption hearing. While the children are awaiting the adoption, the agency continues to have custody of the children, and the caseworker continues to make monthly contacts to assure ongoing safety. This occurs until the adoption is finalized. Once adoption occurs, the children are no longer dependent children and are no longer an open case with Lycoming County Children, Youth, and Family Services. The child and family file are then reviewed, closed, and sealed. Once the case file is sealed, it cannot be opened without a special request. Act 101 is an amendment to the Adoption Act that went into effect on April 25, 2011. Act 101 provides an option for adoptive parents and birth relatives to enter into a post-adoption contact agreement for ongoing communication and/or contact between the child and the birth relatives. The type of contact may include visits, cards, or pictures of the child as agreed upon in the agreement. Act 101 also required an information registry to be created to retain medical and social history records associated with all adoptions. Pennsylvania's registry is known as the Pennsylvania Adoption Information Registry, also known as PAIR. This registry can be searched by an authorized representative at the request of an eligible person. Act 101 defines who may request the information and who may be the subject of a search. This registry can be updated at any time by an adoptee, adoptive parent, or birth parent.